1 minus 3, and again here we have 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 3 times 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So negative 2 times, again here we have 1 minus 3, which equals negative 2. We have negative 2 times negative 2, which equals 4. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. Here in this expression we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and this parentheses. As I said, first we have to do parentheses, and after this parentheses we need to do this multiplication, and finally we do this subtraction. Okay, so first we have to do this parenthesis, not this subtraction. Inside this parenthesis we have 1 minus 3, which equals negative 2. Okay, so 1 minus 3, then times negative 2. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So now we have to do this multiplication. 3 times negative 2, or minus 3 times negative 2 gives us plus 6. So plus 6, we have here plus 6 and 1 plus 6, which equals 7. So our final answer to this problem is just 7. The correct answer is 7.